Just bought the drone from Argus for $299. They don't do any warranty, only manufacturer warranty. Okay, thank you. I just bought this and I'm gonna open it. Just show what you get. You get one box there. You get the drone there. You get the leaflet. You get the controller. You get pops. I do have my DJI Fly Mini, but I just bought this just to be on the safe side. Do I see anything else in the box? What is this? Nope, nothing in the box. It comes with a screwdriver. It comes with a battery, 3 batteries, controller, manual, and the mini. The Neo. And the box, everything on the wire. I wonder which wire is this? How it should work. I need it for iPhone anyway. Thank you.